the community-based problem-solving process. Number 1, identify the problem. Clearly define the issue and identify all stakeholders involved. Number 2, gather relevant information. Listen to every party without bias. Collect facts, evidence, and different perspectives. Number 3, convene a community panel. Bring together respected neighborhood elders, religious leaders, representatives of local associations, workers' unions, and community organizations. Number 4, promote open dialogue. Allow each party to express concerns respectfully. Encourage active listening and mutual understanding. Number 5, identify the root cause. Focus on underlying causes instead of only addressing immediate symptoms. Number 6, develop practical solutions. Brainstorm solutions that are fair, lawful, culturally acceptable, and beneficial to the wider community. Number 7, reach mutual agreement. Seek voluntary consensus whenever possible. Document the agreed responsibilities of all parties. Number 8, implement the resolution. Assign responsibilities and establish a realistic timeline for implementation. Number 8, monitor progress. Community representatives periodically review whether the agreement is being honored. Number 9, review and learn. Evaluate the outcome and record lessons that can help prevent similar conflicts in the future. If the content is useful for you, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates.